Hello. Hey.
This is a lock. What do you think, Eva?
It's a lot bigger than it was last time.
It's not really okay, sorry.
Got a double bed,
Double bed.
big TV, window.
Got a corner room.
We have, yeah. And then you've got this very pretty bathroom.
Bath and shower.
Oh,
sorry.
oh.
Shower and toilet. And all these.
The shower kind of like points down to the toilet.
Yeah.
So you can't go to the toilet and, you know. Oh, I dropped the card.
Bit of squish.
It's got a mirror. Hi. A mirror.
And you've got an emergency break glass in case of emergency toilet roll.
Apparently so.
It's got some nice soap there. The Scottish Fine Soaps Company Silver Buckthorn hand wash. Very nice.
See toilet.
Oh,
Another mirror. Rack.
yeah, towel rack.
And then shower. And more Scottish whatever.
Bunk bed then for you girls.
I'm the top bunk. Izzy's the bottom bunk. And then we have a lovely view.
Yep, so I've got a dressing table as well here. So, or you can always put your luggage there, we've got and wardrobe as well.
Hang
just to hang
stuff
some
up.
items. Not too fancy.
We got, oh my god, the seats. Goes down there. And then like that's not a mirror, that's just like actually goes through. I thought it was a mirror at first. The train coming through right now. The window goes all the way around here through the corner. And then yeah, you get the plane coming through. Might be able to see it, I might have to zoom in a bit.
You can already see the other one.
It looks a lot closer in person. This is how close it looks in person.
Yeah, it doesn't look as close when you're videoing it.
This is how close it looks in person, but and then if you go, I was about to say that.
Yeah.
If you go down there,
You can kind of see it. It's a very, very partial.
that's the runway.
Yeah, you have to wait for a bit for it to land.
See if it comes down now. It might not.
That's a lot longer to land than it is.
No, because it rolls.
Yeah.
There it is. She's got like the lights and the automatic blinds, so you can put different colour lights on. The blinds go up from there. Wait, go down. You have to go down. Yeah, and then
Go up. I'm not sure what the middle button is.
it's a light.
Oh, that one. Sorry. Is it the TV? We just press the button and wonder what it's for?
I wonder what that button's for. I
I hope so, isn't it?
feel like I went really quick.
No, to be fair.
I think I went really quick on the room, but it's fine.
It's a very small room.
It's not much, to be honest. If we don't get it in, we don't get it in.
Was it 854?
I don't know, you'll hear them.
Where was the lift? Did they come this way?
Yeah, they had to go the opposite way to us. Are they actually the complete opposite end? Have they got a really good view?
Oh, essentially, yeah.
Samantha, Marcus.
We had that last one.
You had to have a little bit of a stretch though to see it. Are they actually all the way down here? It was like 844, wasn't it? Samantha.
Sorry, people.
It wasn't that loud anyway.
Yeah, they got one. 846, that is. 844.
Oh my god, that's really good view.
They got them wrong, didn't they?
Oh,
We had that view last time.
look, the thing's gone off.
Look, we've got this bed.
We got one.
They've locked me out. Guys! Well, it's a good view though, isn't it? I was videoing.
Yeah, we've got the one.
Oh my goodness. That is, I can't see what I'm recording, but it's so close you can't even tell.
Yeah, I know you're
It's like that close.
Well, they're not meant to be, are they? What they
Yeah, look.
Wayne!
So yeah, no.
Hello.
Hey,
Getting ready.
the sun is shining.
There's a bug there.
Don't let it fall off there.
It's not gonna. You
Is
what?
it recording?
Yeah. The sun is shining.
How was your sleep in the block here?
Beds are a bit solid.
Huh?
Beds are a bit solid.
Beds are a bit solid. I think ours has got a mattress topper on it, so it was a bit soft. I know, because it wasn't so comfortable for that reason. It wasn't solid, it was just a bit soft. Can't please us, to be fair.
We're coming. Going out.